How to private your Facebook account. Hello everyone and let's get started. So first of all, head over to your Facebook app and click on your profile or the three lines. After that, click on settings and privacy and go to settings. On this page, you will see multiple options by which you can make your profile private. The first option would be the profile locking. If you tap on lock your profile, only friends will be able to see your profile picture and cover photo as well as posts and stories. So this was one way. For the next option, you can even go to how can people find and contact you and select the preference such as only friends or friends of friends. Similarly, you can also turn off allow search engine outside Facebook to contact you. You can do the same for posts as well. From that, you can choose your audience such as friends or friends accept or customize it. You can do the same for the past posts also, and in this way you'll be making your profile private. So that's all for today. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.